Okay, we are in front of a Delta. It is the 321 Bunkhouse, 321 BH, which is a bunkhouse. It is a great floor plan, especially if you have kids. So let's go take a look at it.
We are here at the 2025 Florida RV SuperShow, and in Tampa, and we're going to share some videos that we did of some rigs, and yeah, it's been a great show so far, and we've had a lot of fun.
And honestly, we're only here a couple days. We're not going to do the amount of floor plans that we normally do, or the amount of manufacturers, but we are going to bring you some good stuff.
Absolutely. So yeah, get ready to check it out, and we'll see you on the road.
What it's got here for storage, and there's a table that comes with it. Quite a bit of storage here. It's got a drop frame, so that's why they can have such deep storage in here.
Yeah.
It looks like you might be able to access under the bed if you needed to.
Again, this is the bunkhouse.
Correct.
Okay. Nice front.
Which the caps are double insulated, just so you know.
Double insulated, all right. Manual jack.
Correct. For a time. So it comes in at just under 37 feet and has about a little over 2,000 pound cargo carrying capacity.
All right.
Now, one thing it also has back here, I can't really get to it, well, is an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah.
So you've got the grill, you've got the griddle, you've got space for storage. You have a little refrigerator. So this is great outdoor space for your family.
Really is nice. Mm-hmm. It's not covered, but
no,
there's no awning over it, but
no,
not bad though. All right.
But it does have double awnings there.
It does.
All right, so now let's head inside. All right, walking in, right to your kitchen. It's not large, but it's fully functional and has everything that you need with drawers. And I love this. They all have these now. I love that they're doing that. A nice sink. Kind of what I call an easy bake oven. We're not going to lie about that. But if you're not living in it, this will be great, right?
Right.
So you have more cabinet space. Just a small microwave for basics. I do love the floor plan. Look how open this is.
It is hugely open.
Yes. Decent size fridge, actually.
Yeah. Not bad.
We lived in one like this full time for a while.
I want to show this openness, how this is.
Yeah, it's
Look at
just
this.
wide open. So your kids could like be playing on the floor.
Oh my gosh.
Playing games.
Huge.
Whatever. You could put up an extra table.
Could have a hoedown in here.
Yeehaw! Yeah, I didn't think of that, but you could. So you got 3 seats. It looks like they all recline. And you have extra storage here. I want to show you that because that gives you a lot more extra storage there. And those are,
all right.
No, they're stationary. I thought they might pull out, but they look stationary.
No, they gotta pull out.
Do they pull out?
Yeah, they pull out. Just didn't pull hard enough.
Oh yeah, I didn't pull hard enough. Those magnets, sometimes they're just
eating your
little...
Wheaties.
You're also going to have storage access here.
That's we don't eat Wheaties.
Yeah, we don't. Anyway, and this is going to fold down into a bed if you actually need it, but I wouldn't think you would. No. Your TV is here and storage beside. So this is going to be your kids' space. And honestly, this is great. I wish we had this when our kids were young.
Look at this.
They're all grown adults. But you have nice, large-sized drawers. You have 2 bunks. You have extra storage here. This is a couch. They could sit and play games or whatever.
Yeah,
just chill.
Look at
Look at this. We had 3 kids. We would have had 1, 2, 3.
Gorgeous.
This also folds out to a bed.
Yeah, so you can have 4.
Exactly.
Just keep them coming.
They have their own AC. You can install TV right here. There's USB plugs.
Right here?
Right here. TV backer.
Okay.
Install TV right here.
Gotcha.
You've got regular plugs. You've got USB plugs at each place. I think even when you fall down, up in the corner there's USB plugs. Everyone has their own. You get a USB plug.
You get a USB plug. You get a USB plug.
No one's out there. All right. Oh, look at this storage here. tucked behind, so you could actually put some stuff there. Like, oh, I would put like blankets, like extra blankets. That would be great. Okay, let's continue on down. Bathroom would have avoided those midnight 3 a.m. walks to the bathhouse if we'd had this when the kids were little.
Yeah. Look at that. Let's check out the size of it.
Let's see if it passes the Scotty test here. Yes.
Not bad, yes.
Yep, he could do it.
Good. I like it.
He definitely could do it.
Yeah, for sure.
And
Not bad
literally
at
has places where you can put bins and things.
Yep.
And a nice medicine cabinet. Here's your sink. Storage and drawers below. All right. There's quite a bit of storage.
Yeah, all right. Let's move on to the
bedroom. The bedroom is a north-south bedroom because all the Delta lines have north-south. So
That's
they're gonna
right.
be just like this. But you have quite a bit of space. You can take this shelf out for extra hanging or leave it as it is. You also have more hanging here and a couple drawers that are nice.
We should say at the time of filming there, north to south. This is 2025.
Correct.
January.
Correct. And then you have that storage there. That might lift up.
It's like a little slow close or something.
Yeah.
The storage under the bed.
You absolutely do. And you have a drawer that pulls out of that side, I think. Or
No,
no, this just moves. Oh, okay. That's
It
right.
slides.
So you move things back. All right. Perfect.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like that. It's always
All
something.
right.
What do you think?
I do. Hey, if we had something like this when our kids were younger, it would have made life a lot easier. That's all I'm saying. This is great. I love it. It's
Excellent.
great.
Perfect. All right.
Call it a day and celebrate.